Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Gateway Lodge in Covington, Kentucky. They are a suburb of Cincinnati, Ohio, away up there, District 17 or 18, something like that. And this is just a portion of this building. What do you see this part? Oh, if you like videos like this, be sure to look at our playlist. It says Masonic buildings from around the country. It'll give you 140 or so some odd videos of Masonic buildings like this one. I know what you're thinking. Holy crap, is that their Grand Lodge building? The answer is no. This is a Blue Lodge, regular old Blue Lodge. Yeah, it's pretty serious. Come along with me, we're gonna go inside and explore it, because you've just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Well, I am in, and there are two lodges that meet here: Colonel Clay Lodge, and then there is Gateway Lodge. And this is their downstairs eating room, dining room, huge place. They've got some displays of some of their different awards they've won. This is the lodge we're at here now, Gateway Lodge 109. Now we're about ready to go upstairs and check out the lodge room itself. Come on. Well, just inside their front door, the main front door, which is the ones we were outside of, is a big, nice, old, historic-looking roundabout thing that you would walk through. I got a nice small meeting room here. And let's go around this way here and see what we can find in the hallway. So they got some Scottish Rite influences here. I don't know if Scottish Rite meets here or not. Looks like Albert Pike. Nice bust of him. He's a little larger than life because his head's way bigger than mine. I want to wear 333. Nice. 33rd degree. And here's brother here. Got another bust of John Cowles. This looks like the Scottish Rite type area. Let me see if there's a Scottish Rite room here. So this is their Scottish Rite room. Looks like they got a stage here. Can you see that stage in you at all? You can see a little bit of it. But anyway, here's the view from the stage. They've got cathedral seating, as you can see. Theater seating, I guess. Got a nice area up there. Big, nice building. I don't know where the lodge room is. I think it's off to one side, or maybe it's even further upstairs. I'm about ready to go up to the regular lodge room now. There's none any regalia or anything being displayed out here, so there's not much to see for the Scottish Rite. Well, before we go in, I want to show you this, what they got here, the peephole. You don't see this in a lot of lodges. You definitely don't see one that's this large. Normally they're about the size of your eyeball, or the size of a golf ball. That's really neat. I like the touch. Really neat.
Did anybody take
Big
you
room.
on a tour?
Right, so this is the main room here. You can see it's really long compared to most lodges. They've also got balcony seating, which is kind of cool. And right here we start at the senior warden's desk. I like the sun. That's kind of a neat touch. You see the background, that's actually the state of Kentucky behind it. So that's pretty neat. Got this is setting down here. Can't exactly set up there because it's kind of full. And instead of a gavel, he's got a really nice setting mall here, which has got the senior warden logo on it. It's good size too. Wow, that's the size of a softball right there. That's good. And they're wired for sound. I know the master was just up there. He had his sound. See, you got two steps. Got two regular steps. It's got another door knocker there. I like door knockers. You just don't see enough of these. And they've got their two columns over here to the side. The columns have wheels on them, casters, so they can take them wherever they want. Those are really nice. Good size. Those are definitely the size of a basketball up there. Look at the ornateness. They really do a good job with them. I like those. Got some seating over here. We've got the altar there. We'll touch base with the altar here in a minute. I'm still walking because it's way over here. Down here, it looks like they've got some ballot boxes. You know me, I'm a huge fan of ballot boxes. There's that one. And that one there's more likely for Eastern Star. Looks like they've got a baton here. Most batons like this are for your marshal. I got another one. This is more customary type kind of box you see. Normally the white ones are going to be for your Eastern Star. And there is an Eastern Star chapter here. Oh, that's a nice one there. Let's take a look at that. It's a reach down box. Those are wood too. Those are wooden balls. Nice box. Gosh, I hope I don't knock something down. I didn't. Yay, and there's this one. Boy, they got a bunch of boxes. This is the gamut. Did you hear that? It clicked. It's got a little stopper here on the side that you push in to make it close. That's nice. They don't have any in there, so that's probably not the one they use most of the time. It's also got a handle in the front of it. That's really cool. I really like that. That's a lot of boxes. And let's turn around here and go toward the master. You can see you got the Scottish Rite logo there, double-headed eagle. You got a rough ashlar here. Got the smooth one down there in front of the secretary's desk. Like the furniture. I don't see Masonic logos on the furniture itself, but they're still very ornate. It's more of a stage in the back here. You can see the woodwork, so you know those curtains can probably get moved, and maybe they do degree work up there or something. He's actually using a gavel up here. These two pieces here match, but they don't necessarily match the... Anyway, still look good. You got the working tools displayed like that. Secretary there. Looks like the charter over here. They had a couple lodges merged together, and they changed their name to Gateway 109, which is recent. We're talking about 2020 when they did that. But they took 109 from another lodge that had a lower number. And we got our junior wardens, which is pretty busy over here. Same kind of thing as we saw the senior warden. And last but not least, I want to show you the altar here. Really good looking altar. And you might notice something else about this altar is it's got working tools engraved in the wood. Or should I say the trowel hairs and the gavel. And then they've got the all-seeing eye, and they've got the square and compasses. And also they got the lesser lights that are going to be lit. It looks like they're being lit by remote control possibly, but they're all together in one group to the side. We see that in Indiana, and some other lodges do the same thing. We also notice one other thing. There's no kneeling pad down here, but they cut it out so that the master can approach. That way he could stand here. So that's a nice touch. So let's see what we got here. Holy Bible. Got a Masonic logo. That's telling me that it's probably going to have King Solomon information in here. Or the Eastern Star stuff. There we go. Yeah, we saw one Bible a lot like this one here. That had a lot of the internal workings, Freemasonry, part of the Bible, ancient accepted Scottish Rite, different words and stuff like that. Questions and answers. Really nice Bible though. Really nice. It's a good looking altar. I really like. This is thick too. I mean, this is wide this way. It's like 2 feet this way. It's a big, good size altar. So if you ever get a chance and you're south of Cincinnati in Kentucky, in Covington, come visit these brothers. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me here at Gateway Lodge, number 109. They're definitely a big lodge. I think they got 200 some odd members. So I think that's what I saw. So come visit them and have a good dinner, because we definitely had a good dinner here. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out that playlist, as I mentioned before, about Masonic buildings from around the country. So I'm gonna let you go, because you're gonna leave the coolest life, Masonic edition.